Retrieving ttk.Treeview items open option as boolean. I encounter untoward behavior when querying the open option of a Python ttk.Treeview item. The visibility of a node item can be set by doing something like, and my assumption is the open option can be queried to get a boolean true/false. However, this doesn't appear to be the case. Consider this script. When run, it displays a small Treeview control populated with fake directories and file names. Before opening or closing any of the top-level nodes, press the button to dump the open option states to stout. Should look like this. Now open one of the nodes and press the button again. Now it dumps. Finally, close all nodes and press the button once more. It dumps. Things that stand out to me. Inconsistency. While initialized to ints, later the values assigned are _tkinter objects. Boolean comparison failure. Despite the _tkinter objects rendering as the strings true or false, they do not evaluate to true and false. For example, the _tkinter object printed as false evaluated as true. Anyone know what gives? How can I reliably determine the open/closed state of a Treeview item?
There was a tkinter option, tkinter.onceObjects, that some people offered to change to false. It should make tk to do not use tcl_obj. But when I tried it, the Treeview looked broken. As a workaround, I used booleanver in way like this. This way seemed working to me.
In the Linda course by Baronstone, Python GUI Development with tkinter, a lesson video, Building a Hierarchical Treeview, has an example that shows how to get an is open. Result. I have modified the example below. Python 3.5 in idle console. Not a boolean as requested, but an int that is just as good.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.